Have you ever wondered what it's like to ride in a sidecar? Well, we're about to go and find out. This one was completely my fault. Hi guys, my name's Safi Sprocket and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Ural stand to check out the sidecar, and I'm about to head out onto the track with the sidecar guys, and I am so incredibly excited. I'm not really sure what to expect, but to be honest, I kind of feel like it's going to be a nice, gentle ride. So let's jump in and go find out.
Lots of bikes, eh?
This is the first one of the event, so you've got to impress me.
Yeah, okay, no worries. It'll be good. You ever been outside?
Never. This is my first time.
Really?
First time. So I don't know what to expect.
Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
Arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
He's no longer there. Yeah, that's your cue. Yeah.
This is nice and comfortable.
It's alright, isn't it? Yeah, comfortable than it looks. Is if you want to steer on a sidecar, you can't lead. So this does not take a straight. Right?
Right.
Straight on still. To steer, I have to physically move my arms left and right.
Okay.
Have you ever ridden a quad bike or anything?
I once rode a quad bike into a tree.
Okay, yeah.
But I was 9 to be fair.
Okay. There's a few bikes here, eh mate?
Yeah, there's quite a lot. It's only going to get busier.
Like fighting a bear, but it's not. It's just you've got to understand the physics. So if you want to go right, you've got to drop the throttle. If you accelerate and go right, it's going to be really hard. If I do, so you've got to get out of the way, you don't see anyone. If I do the front brake, what's happened?
Okay. Oh my gosh.
You can just lock up the back brake and have all kinds of fun.
Do I know when I'm going to fall over?
There's a crash one, and I'll bring it around.
There's a first time for everything. Yes, that corners. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh no, oh no.
We're just wagging our tail, mate.
Is it not?
So what happens is I steer left really fast, I'll fly you in the air. So when we're going around left hand bend, if you lean left we can go faster, and we go around right hand bend, if you lean right we can go faster.
Okay.
When we're going on a cambered track like this, all the way, because I'm slightly lower than you, the whole time I'm steering into the field to keep us straight. So if you lean left, we'll stay straight for longer.
There's not a jump, is there? Does it make it harder than not having someone in the sidecar?
Yeah, it's much easier to lift the chair in the air. Did you go flying?
I don't know. Oh dear. Oh gosh. You're mental! Oh dear, oh dear.
Yeah, so obviously you don't have to ride it like that, I'm just being silly.
What?
Too fast to get there, yeah? She's going a bit.
I'm really close to crying. Oh, I definitely need some deodorant. Oh gosh.
Yeah. How was that?
I think I might need to unzip my jacket. That was terrifying. When you're in the air, you're like, I'm not in control here.
Hard, mate. It's like, yeah, man, you're in safe hands. Don't worry, I've not crashed one.
Oh, I don't know what I expected, but it wasn't that. It was terrifying, but also really good, but also really terrifying. And I'm like, sometimes I'm like there in the air, and I'm trying so hard not to cry. It was just going around corners, and I'm in the air like, what do I do? What do you mean you were in the air too? So there we have it, guys. That is my very first time in a sidecar. It was absolutely terrifying, but I absolutely loved it. I've had so much fun. I am absolutely going to be riding one of these in the near future because there's no way I can walk away from that experience and not want to do this. And if you guys want to have a go as well, you can check out the sidecar guys in Northumberland. And there's also the opportunity to win one of these bad guys. I'll drop a link in the description below, so do check it out. In the meantime, ride safe, stay crazy, and I'll see you next week. This one was completely my fault.